Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe, and I pray to God for your wellness and for your safety. Now sitting at home and studying from home is not difficult because Cambridge International School Daswa is here to help you out with e-learning at this time of crisis COVID-19 pandemic. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, your political science teacher once again in front of you, and today we are going to do chapter political theory and introduction. And chapters I would be covering in this video will be, the topics I would be covering in this video will be, what do we study in political theory? So, shall we start? I hope this is, now you have arranged your book, paper 2. This is the cover page of your book Political Theory, and we are doing chapter 1 political theory and introduction. In my previous video we have started this chapter and little I have given some of the introduction with you, but I want to recall the previous topic so that it could be linked with the recent one. So earlier we have done political theory, in which we have done what is politics. Fine. That a number of social institutions such as family, tribes and economic institutions have emerged to help people fulfill their needs and aspirations. So this is political theory, but this was all philosophy like and all the discussion about what is political theory. The same question I have given you as a homework. Now we are going to second topic, and our second topic is today, which I have announced earlier, that is why do we study and what do we study in political theory? Yes, what do we study in political theory? I hope you remember these two great personality of India on your screen, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi. The ideas and values propagated by different persons to make our society. For example, the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi on non-violence and satyagraha to bring a peace. The same topic you have done in your grade 10 history. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar stood for equal rights for deprived section like Dalits, SC and ST people, those people who belong to lower class. Every individual is equal and caste has no role to play in politics. He was against untouchability. So one question I am going to give you to write based on the same topic, what do we study in political theory, and the topic based on these two personalities. Yes, the question will be significance. Before going to question, let me discuss these important things for you. Significance of political theory. What is the importance of political theory? I'm sure that you are carefully observing the cartoon seen on your screen. Critically evaluates values which are part of our life: freedom, equality and justice. To have basic knowledge of the political ideas and institution. Political theory shapes our opinion and argues in an informed manner whether existing institutions are adequate and how existing institutions can be made more democratic. Trains individual to think rationally about the political questions. So now we are doing significance of political theory does not include which point. Let me check, and your time starts now. 3, 2, 1. Yes, D. Theory is important for our syllabus. This should not be included in importance of political theory. So now the same topic I have taken from your book, page number 5, third paragraph. These documents, and the same question you will get from the blue box. Write a short note on any of the political thinkers mentioned in the chapter. So you can write note on these thinkers which I am telling you. So these documents did not just emerge overnight. रातों रात ये document political theory नहीं बन गए थे. They are built upon the ideas and principles debate of almost since the time Kautilya, Aristotle, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Karl Marx, Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar ji. As far back as 5th century BC, Plato and Aristotle discussed with their students whether monarchy or democracy was better. So in the modern times, Rousseau first argued for freedom as a fundamental right of humankind. Karl Marx argued the equality. To closer home, Mahatma Gandhi discussed the meaning of genuine freedom for Swaraj in his book Hind Swaraj. Ambedkar argued with the scheduled caste must be considered in the minority as such, so must receive special protection. So these ideas find their place in the Indian Constitution. हमने इन सारे ideas को अपने Constitution में जगह दी, so that there should be equality and there should be freedom to all. Now further the same page I have taken from your book, and the question will be, this will be first point, and the question will be direct, ready-made question in front of you, that while India is free and independent, this question you will write in your copy, my dear. While India is free and independent, question regarding freedom and equality have not ceased to crop. Examine the statement, because this is because issues concerning freedom, equality, democracy arise in many aspects of social life. They are in progress in different sectors of different spaces. For example, although equality may exist in the political sphere in the form of equal right. अब इक्वालिटी तो मिल गई हमें, है ना, पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी मिल गई, इसको हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डाल दिया, फंडामेंटल राइट्स में डाल दिया कि हाँ जी इंडियन पीपल के पास इक्वालिटी है. इट मे नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन द सेम एक्सटेंट इन द इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल स्फीयर. इकोनॉमिकली सब इक्वल नहीं है, सोशली सब इक्वल नहीं है. सम आर रिच एंड सम आर पुअर, some are living in a village area and other people are living in a city area. So people may enjoy equal political right but still be discriminated. This will be your first point कि equality होने के बावजूद भी आज equality नहीं है. Secondly, though freedom is granted in our constitution, we encounter new interpretation of all the time. लिखा है freedom है हमारे constitution में, लेकिन freedom की definition time to time change होती रहती है. Now I am giving you example. This is bit like a playing a game and as we playing chess or cricket. अब इसके भी रूल चेंज होते रहते हैं, है ना. So the right of life has been interpreted by the courts to include the right to livelihood. ठीक है, पहले right to courts में, पहले तो right to बोला था कि right to life means right to life, जीने का अधिकार. But it is now confirmed that right to life means right to livelihood. So this right again, the right to information, है ना, 2005 you remember. आपने इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ा हुआ है ना, हैज बीन गारंटेड थ्रू द न्यू लॉ. सोसाइटीज फ्रीक्वेंटली इनकाउंटर न्यू चैलेंजेस विच जनरेट न्यू इंटरप्रिटेशन. तो ये दूसरी बात है, फ्रीडम होने के बावजूद भी हमें प्रॉपर फ्रीडम नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज विच आर डिजाइन टू एड्रेस द न्यू प्रॉब्लम्स, और प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं. थर्डली, as our world changes, we may discover new dimensions of freedom as well as the threats of freedom. जैसे जैसे दुनिया बदलती है, नए डायमेंशन आ जाते हैं फ्रीडम में और नए नए खतरे भी आ जाते हैं फ्रीडम में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ग्लोबल कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इज मेकिंग इट ईजियर फॉर एक्टिविस्ट टू नेटवर्क विद एन अदर अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग ट्राइबल कल्चर ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है, बट इट ऑल्सो इनेबल्स टेररिस्ट एंड क्रिमिनल्स टू नेटवर्क. अब सबके लिए नेटवर्क है, लेकिन टेररिस्ट और क्रिमिनल्स के लिए भी उतना ही ओपन नेटवर्क है ना. कोई भी व्हाट्सएप यूज करता है, कोई भी फेसबुक यूज करता है, कोई भी ट्विटर यूज करता है, कोई भी इंस्टा यूज करता है. Moreover, internet commerce is all set to increase in future. So this means about that the information we give about ourselves online to buy goods and service must to be protected. ये होनी चाहिए. So even though netizens, ये netizen नया word आ गया, citizen, netizen जो net use करते हैं. Fine. So as a result, question are raised regarding how much freedom should be given to the people using internet. For example, should be allowed to send unsolicited email to stranger. So can you advertise your products in like a same way? So this is all we have done कि freedom तो है, लेकिन सबको बराबर की freedom नहीं है आज भी. This is the time to learn, revise and write. The first question you will write, while India is free and independent, questions regarding freedom and equality have not ceased to crop up. Examine the statement. ऐसे कैसा है कि सबको इंडिपेंडेंस है, सबको फ्रीडम है, लेकिन फिर भी ये क्वेश्चन सबके लिए एक जैसा नहीं है. कुछ को फ्रीडम ज़्यादा है, कुछ को कम है. सम पीपल आर रिच, अदर्स आर पुअर. हाउ? बेटा दिस क्वेश्चन यू विल राइट इन योर कॉपी. एंड वन मोर क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव टॉट यू विद दैट कार्टून, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ, बेनिफिट्स ऑफ, और यू कैन से इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लर्निंग पोलिटिकल थ्योरी. दैट क्वेश्चन यू विल लर्न ओनली, बट दिस क्वेश्चन यू विल राइट इन योर नोटबुक विद 4 points with introduction. So this is that we have done one question today. In my next video, we will meet with new topics from the same chapter. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much, my